Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, high pressure has built into the area, providing us with abundant sunshine. We're going to see a pretty nice day out there, although we will see temperatures about 10 degrees cooler throughout the area than what we saw yesterday. Throughout the area yesterday, we saw temperatures in the 50s for daytime highs, 54 degrees here at Wallops, 59 degrees at Newport News, and at Richmond. They were the warmest reporting stations across the region. Last night, temperatures fell into the upper 30s here at Wallops, reaching a low of 38 degrees. We saw some cooler temperatures, though, across the region. 31 degrees at Newport News, 29 degrees at Richmond, and we saw a pretty wide variety of temperatures with that 29-degree reading in Richmond and 41 degrees at Norfolk for their overnight low temperature. Over the past 24 hours, no measurable precipitation, and as of 9 a.m., we see 41 degrees here at Wallops under sunny skies. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, see that northwesterly wind at the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to the 25,000 foot level. See the winds increasing as we go up in height, 24 knots at the 1,000 foot level, 98 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning was at 1,400 feet. Taking a look at our radar satellite composite, you can see really not much in the way of weather here this morning as we see the lack of clouds and lack of precipitation in our region. No precipitation showing up on radar in our local area currently, and we are expected to remain dry throughout the remainder of the day today. Just a little bit of some upper level cloudiness and a little bit of low level cloudiness was seen earlier this morning, but we are going to see mostly sunny to clear conditions continue throughout the day today. Looking at our current surface analysis, we're going to see high pressure continuing to build into our region. That cold front offshore, you can see, did bring in some cooler weather this morning, as we will see those temperatures about 10 degrees cooler today than what we saw yesterday across the area. Looking at our forecast maps here for the next couple of days, that high pressure system will move a little closer to our region as we go through the day today, and then overnight tonight will be over our area, providing us with some pretty weak winds. Should see winds go calm overnight tonight, allowing us to see a pretty good radiational cooling event with those clear skies. Temperatures expected to bottom out in the upper 20s tonight. We should drop below freezing as we go into the overnight hours tonight after midnight. By tomorrow morning, we'll wake up to a chilly start to our day, but temperatures will be rebounding pretty quickly. We'll see those highs in the upper 40s tomorrow, and that high pressure system will slowly drift offshore. We'll see some pretty weak winds tomorrow as well. Looking like we'll see, again, calm winds as we get into the early morning hours, and the winds picking up out of the south as that high pressure pushes offshore and we get a return flow across the area as that high pressure system drifts off the east coast. As we go into the day on Thursday, we'll see our next storm system impact the area. See a pretty broad area of low pressure that will be moving up toward the mid-Atlantic region during the day on Thursday. We'll see a slight chance of a few rain showers here at Wallops during the morning hours, a better chance during the afternoon, and then those rain chances become likely during the evening time, and then overnight Thursday into Friday morning, where we'll see some potentially moderate to heavy rain showers move through the area. Also looking at a little bit of instability making its way into the region by Friday morning, so don't be surprised if you hear a few rumbles of thunder out there Friday morning as the main intensity of this storm moves over the Wallops region, and we get some pretty strong showers and again a possible thunderstorm as well. So taking a look here at the next 24 hours, great weather expected here at Wallops, no hazards to be concerned with. We will see some breezy conditions for the first part of the day today. We have seen a wind gust or two up around 20 knots this morning, but looks like that'll be about as high as we get to as we go through the day today, and we'll likely see those winds begin to drop a bit as we go into the afternoon hours, especially as we get into the evening and overnight hours tonight as those winds become variable less than 5 knots. As I said earlier, we'll see those temperatures dropping below freezing today, or overnight tonight, where we'll see those temperatures bottom out around 28 degrees for an overnight low temperature. Next 24 hours, expecting VFR conditions with no ceilings to be concerned with. And as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, we'll see pleasant conditions on Wednesday, light winds throughout the day with a high of 48 degrees, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies expected. And then Wednesday night, we'll start to see our clouds increasing. As a result of those mostly cloudy skies, we'll see our temperatures hold up into the 30s, only expecting a low of 36 degrees, and that will likely occur before midnight, as we'll see the temperatures potentially rising a few degrees as those clouds work their way into the area. For Thursday, we'll see cloudy skies, a slight chance of rain during the morning, then the showers becoming likely during the late afternoon and evening hours with a high of 57 degrees. For the next 7 days, we're going to see again that system approaching the area Thursday, and our heaviest rain expected overnight Thursday into Friday. Again, could see enough instability to put off a few rumbles of thunder early Friday morning as we see that instability working into our region. Heavier showers expected during that time as well. It will be quite warm on Friday with that temperature up to 61 degrees during the day on Friday, and then some cooler weather expected after that storm system departs the area. Not a real cold blast though, as we'll see temperatures right around normal for this time of year as we get into the later portion of the weekend and into the beginning of next week. So looking at pretty nice conditions behind that departing system as we start our work week next week, Monday into Christmas. For Tuesday, looking like we're going to see a pretty good setup for weather. No real cold temperatures or big rain threats expected. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for your weather briefings. Have a nice day.